So yes, I'm going to show you how to work here real quickly. But for some of you all, you guys are going to realize, like, wait a minute, I don't need to be doing this. I just need to know about how to do it correctly. And then I can start to build around it to create wealth for myself based off the skill sets that you're going to pick up by doing government contract. Now, if you guys are ready to hear something about that, I need you to drop a fire emoji in the chat. I need to know if you're ready. If you guys are tuning in, I'm not really sure where everybody's tuning in from right now, but go ahead and drop a fire emoji down there in the chat if you're ready to hear about making these millions in government contracting with vending machines. Well, we got to see if we can make millions. I'm not sure if we can make millions, but I'm pretty sure we can make a couple 100,000 though. I don't know about millions, but we'll see. We're gonna check it out. I appreciate the fire emojis coming in there. Don't forget, if you have a question, put a Q followed by a dash